Hello everyone, welcome to ChemHive. Today we'll be talking about unit conversion. Yes, unit conversion. Unit conversion is very important in engineering and any other field. It's important to know how to convert from one unit to another. There are different ways of expressing quantities in various units. The common unit used is the SI, which is the International System of Units, AES, which is the American Engineering System of Units, and we have the CGS, which is the centimeter grams per second. Yes. These various units can be expressed in so many ways. In terms of length, SI expresses length in meters. AES expresses length in feet. Our CGS expresses length in centimeter. In terms of mass is expressed in SI as kilogram. For AES, mass is expressed in pound mass. Our CGS expresses mass as grams. So today, we're going to solving problems that has to do with converting from one unit to another. Our first example is conversion of 1,100 feet per second to miles per hour. Yes, converting from feet per second to miles per hour. The best method I employ to convert from one unit to another is the line method. I prefer using the line method because it's more easy and it produces a more accurate result. Yes, the line method, you have a horizontal line and a vertical line. You place your 1,100 here. 1,100. Your feet should be placed up, then your second should be placed below. This division sign indicates the horizontal line. Converting feet to miles. There are different ways you can convert feet to miles. For example, if you have a direct relationship between feet to miles, when I say direct relationship, it means the equivalent of feet. Know the various conversion factors used. For example, for feet to miles, is there a direct conversion between feet to miles? Most times, if you don't have the knowledge of or know the direct relationship between feet to miles, it's important to take the indirect relationship. What I mean by indirect relationship, is there a relationship between feet to meters, from meters to kilometers, and from kilometers to miles? This is an indirect relationship, but from feet to miles is a direct relationship. If you are able to know the direct relationship between feet to miles, it's good. You can easily put the value and then solve. You put the value and solve. But for now, using the indirect relationship from feet to meters, from meters to kilometers, from kilometers to miles. Yes. So now, from feet to meters, the equivalent is 1 feet. 1 feet is equivalent to 0.305 meters. So I'm going to place my 1 feet below here. Whenever you want to cancel out, it should be diagonal to one another. The unit you want to cancel out should be diagonal to one another so that you can easily cancel out. Then 0.305 meters should be placed up here. And draw your line. So we have gotten our meters, but meters is not what we want. We want to express it in kilometers. So we have to know the equivalent between meters and kilometer. And we know that 1,000 meters is equivalent to 1 kilometer. Remember, the units you want to cancel out should be diagonal to one another, so it can easily cancel out. Yes, it can easily cancel out. Those are 2 kilometers to miles. 1 mile is equivalent to 1.61 kilometers. Calculation between kilometers to miles. So 1 mile is equivalent to 1.61 kilometers. Yes, it's equivalent to 1.61 kilometers. So this is diagonal to one another because the unit we don't want, so we cancel out. So we are left with miles, and miles is what we are asked to find. So we stop there. Now to convert seconds to hours, we want to convert from seconds to hours. Remember, our 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Yes. So we want to convert from seconds to minutes, from minutes to hour. If you know the direct relationship between seconds to hour, fine. But if you don't know the direct relationship, or to avoid confusion, say from seconds to minutes, from minutes to hour. How? Seconds, we know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. And remember, whenever you want to cancel out, you must place the units you want to cancel out. It should be diagonal to one another. So where do we place our 60 seconds? We place it up here. So which is diagonal to one another. Diagonal to one another. So this can easily cancel out. And we'll place our 1 minute below. Yes. Then we extend our line. We are more interested in hours. So we are more interested in hour. So minutes to hour. We say 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Where do we place our 60 minutes? Remember, the unit we don't want, we have to cancel out, and it should be diagonal to one another. So we place our 60 minutes up here, and 1 hour should be placed below. So minutes cancel minute. So now check, if we go through this, we notice that we have gotten our mouse and we have gotten our hour. So you stop there. The next thing you need to do is to bring out the values. We bring out the values. So this is 1100 multiplied by 0.305 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 60. Split this and multiplied by what? 60. Now the units you are interested in, and the only unit up here is mouse. So you place the unit here. And you divide by 1000 multiplied by 1.61. Yes, multiplied by 1.61. When you multiply through, so divide by 1610 is equals to 750.186. So our final answer here is what? 750.186 miles per hour. 186 miles per hour. Yes, so we can go through it. We can also solve multiple examples, try out many problems, and see if we can solve it using line method. Thank you for watching.